In the last episode, we explained what artificial intelligence is in simple words. We learned that AI is not magic. AI is not a human being. AI is a powerful tool that can learn from information, find patterns, make suggestions, answer questions, and help people with everyday tasks. But now we need to answer another very important question. What can AI actually do? And just as important, what can AI not do? This question matters because many people either overestimate AI or underestimate AI. Some people think AI can do everything. Some people think AI will replace every human skill. Some people think AI is always correct. On the other side, some people think AI is only hype and can be ignored. Both views are risky. The calm and practical answer is in the middle. AI can do many useful things. But AI also has real limits. If you understand both sides, you can use AI with confidence instead of fear. AI can help you work faster. The first thing AI can do is help people work faster. AI can help write a first draft of an email. It can summarize a long document. It can organize meeting notes. It can help prepare a presentation. It can suggest ideas when you are stuck. It can help translate language. It can explain difficult topics in simple words. For a student, AI can become a study helper. For a parent, AI can help explain topics to children. For a teacher, AI can help create examples and learning activities. For a working professional, AI can help reduce time spent on repetitive writing and research tasks. For a small business owner, AI can help draft product descriptions, customer responses, marketing ideas, and planning notes. This does not mean AI does the whole job perfectly. It means AI can help you get started faster. Think of AI like a bicycle for your thinking. You still decide where to go, but the bicycle helps you move faster. One of the best examples of what AI can do comes from science. For many years, scientists wanted to understand the shapes of proteins. Proteins are tiny building blocks of life. Their shape matters because shape affects how they work in the body. Understanding protein shapes can help science, medicine, and drug discovery. But finding these shapes through traditional methods can be slow and difficult. Then AI systems such as AlphaFold helped predict protein structures at a massive scale. This was such an important scientific breakthrough that the 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry recognized work connected to protein structure prediction and protein design. This is a powerful example. AI did not replace science. AI helped scientists solve a very difficult problem faster. That is one of AI's strongest uses. AI can process huge amounts of information and find patterns that are hard for humans to find quickly. But scientists still need to test, verify, interpret, and apply those results. So even in a big success story, AI is not working alone. AI supports human knowledge. Human experts still matter. Another real example comes from healthcare. Researchers have studied AI-supported breast cancer screening, where AI helps radiologists review mammograms. In real-world screening studies, AI-supported reading has shown potential to improve cancer detection while supporting medical professionals. This is important because doctors and radiologists handle large amounts of information. AI can help highlight possible concerns. AI can help reduce workload. AI can help find patterns in medical images. But this does not mean AI should replace doctors. Healthcare decisions affect real people and real families. A wrong answer can cause harm. So AI can support healthcare professionals, but human experts must still review, validate, and make responsible decisions. This is a good lesson for everyone. AI can be very helpful in serious areas, but the more serious the decision, the more important human review becomes. AI can also create content. It can write text. It can create images. It can help make video scripts. It can generate music ideas. It can create summaries. It can help with social media posts. It can help with learning materials. This is useful for students, creators, teachers, professionals, and business owners. But here is the important limit. AI can create content that sounds good even when it is not fully correct. For example, AI may write a confident explanation, but the facts may be incomplete. It may create an image that looks realistic, but the image may not represent reality. It may summarize a document, but miss an important detail. So when AI creates something, do not think, "This is finished." Think, "This is a draft." AI is very good at helping you start, but humans should still review, improve, correct, and finalize. A well-known real story happened with Air Canada. A customer was given incorrect information by the airline's chatbot about a bereavement fare refund. The customer followed the chatbot's guidance, but later Air Canada refused the refund. The case went to the Civil Resolution Tribunal in British Columbia. The tribunal found that the company was responsible for the information provided through its chatbot. This story teaches a simple lesson. AI can answer customer questions. AI can help companies provide faster support. But if the AI gives wrong information, the impact is real. Customers may lose money. Companies may lose trust. Legal responsibility may still remain with the organization. So businesses should not simply launch AI chatbots and forget about them. They need to test them. They need to monitor them. They need to keep information accurate. And when AI is used with customers, there should be a clear way for humans to step in. AI can support customer service, but it should not become an uncontrolled voice of the company. This is one of the most important points in this episode. AI can answer many questions, but AI can also produce wrong answers. Sometimes people call this an AI hallucination. That means AI may generate something that sounds real, but is not real. It may invent names. It may invent sources. It may invent legal cases. It may invent facts. It may mix true and false information together. This is dangerous because AI often sounds confident. A human may say, "I am not sure." But AI may give a polished answer even when the answer is wrong. So you must remember, a confident answer is not always a correct answer. This is why verification is important. A famous example happened when lawyers in New York used ChatGPT for legal work and submitted court documents containing fake case citations. The cases looked real, but they were not real. The court sanctioned the lawyers. This became a major warning for professionals around the world. The lesson is not that lawyers should never use AI. The lesson is that AI output must be checked. If a student submits AI work without checking, there may be academic consequences. If a professional sends AI-generated work without checking, there may be business consequences. If a lawyer, doctor, engineer, architect, or security professional trusts AI blindly, the consequences can be serious. So the rule is simple. Use AI for help. Do not use AI as final truth. Now let us clearly explain what AI cannot do. AI cannot take responsibility for your decisions. If you use AI to write an email and send it, you are responsible. If you use AI to prepare a report and submit it, you are responsible. If you use AI to help with a business decision, you are responsible. AI cannot fully understand your life. It does not know your family situation, culture, emotions, values, workplace politics, or personal goals unless you explain them. Even then, it may not fully understand. AI cannot guarantee truth. It can give useful information, but it can also be wrong. AI cannot replace human judgment. It can support your thinking, but it cannot decide what is wise, kind, fair, ethical, or appropriate in every situation. AI cannot replace real learning. If students use AI to avoid thinking, they may become weaker over time. AI cannot replace trust. A parent, teacher, manager, doctor, advisor, or expert brings human care and accountability that AI does not have. This is why AI should be treated as a helper, not a boss. AI is good at certain types of tasks. It is good at summarizing. It is good at drafting. It is good at pattern recognition. It is good at comparing information. It is good at generating ideas. It is good at explaining topics at different levels. It is good at helping you start when you feel stuck. It is good at handling large amounts of information quickly. But AI is not equally good at everything. It may struggle when the question requires deep personal judgment. It may struggle when information is new or changing. It may struggle when the answer depends on local laws, company rules, culture, or context. It may struggle when the task requires emotional understanding. It may struggle when the cost of being wrong is very high. So before using AI, ask yourself, is this a low-risk task or a high-risk task? If it is low risk, AI can help you move faster. If it is high risk, use AI carefully and verify with trusted sources or experts. Here is a simple way to think about AI use. Green tasks are safe starting points. These include brainstorming ideas, explaining simple topics, drafting a non-sensitive email, summarizing public information, or helping you practice a subject. Yellow tasks need caution. These include workplace documents, school assignments, financial planning, health information, legal information, customer messages, and anything involving personal or sensitive data. Red tasks should never be blindly given to AI. These include sharing passwords, private documents, medical records, bank details, confidential company information, or making serious decisions without human review. This traffic light rule is easy to remember. Green means use AI as a helper. Yellow means slow down and check. Red means stop and get human guidance. For students, AI can be a powerful learning partner. You can ask it to explain difficult topics. You can ask it to quiz you. You can ask it to give examples. You can ask it to help you practice writing. But do not use AI to avoid learning. If AI writes everything for you, your brain does not grow. The goal is not to get quick answers. The goal is to build understanding. So students should use AI to learn better, not to cheat better. For parents, the message is simple. You do not need to know every AI tool, but you should understand the basic risks and opportunities. Ask your children what they are using. Ask them how they are using it. Teach them not to share private information. Teach them that AI can be wrong. Teach them that copying is not learning. And most importantly, do not only react with fear. Guide them with curiosity. Children need support, not just restrictions. For working professionals, AI will become part of many daily tasks. It can help with writing, research, analysis, meeting notes, planning, and communication. But your value will not only come from using AI, your value will come from knowing how to ask better questions, check the answers, apply judgment, and make responsible decisions. The professional of the future is not someone who blindly copies from AI. The professional of the future is someone who can combine AI assistance with human expertise. So, what can AI do? AI can help us work faster. AI can help us learn better. AI can help scientists discover patterns. AI can support healthcare professionals. AI can draft, summarize, translate, organize, create, and explain. But what can AI not do? AI cannot guarantee truth. AI cannot take responsibility. AI cannot replace human judgment. AI cannot understand your full life the way a human can. AI cannot be trusted blindly in serious decisions. That is why the right mindset is balanced. Do not fear AI blindly. Do not trust AI blindly. Use AI wisely. Check important things. Keep human thinking at the center. In the next episode, we will talk about how students can use AI for learning without cheating, because this is one of the biggest questions for families and schools today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.